Hey everyone, I'm Indu and today I feel inspired to share with you this shoulder and chest opening sequence. If you're doing a lot of computer work or you struggle with your posture, then this sequence might be very helpful for you. Any chest opening, back bending is very energizing, so you'll probably find yourself having lots more energy than before. When you're ready, come onto your mat and let's start. Okay, we'll start with standing tall on your mat. Your feet can be hip-width apart. And relax your shoulders. Chin gently in. You can gently bend your knees. Just bring your awareness to your breath. Taking a few deep breaths to settle in, to arrive into your mat. Preparing for your practice today. And as you inhale, engaging all the little muscles in your body. As you exhale, relax. And again. And relax. Wherever you are, slowly opening your eyes. Bring your hands in front of you. You can interlace your fingers. If this is not possible for you, you can keep your arms on this side. So interlacing your fingers, and on inhale, bring your arms all the way up. Exhale, back down. Inhale, opening up, turning your palms up towards the ceiling. And exhale down. Inhale. And exhale. Now as you inhale, this time come to the top of your feet, the balls of your feet. And exhale. Inhale, coming up slowly, find your balance. And exhale. Slowly coming up, try to stay up. Take another breath here. Inhale. As you exhale, slowly lower yourself down. Bring your arms behind your back. Again, interlacing your fingers. Again, if this is not possible, you can bring your arms to the side, just opening up your shoulders. And as you inhale, open up your shoulders, open up your chest, wherever you are. As you exhale, round your spine, round your back, and bend your knees. Bring your hands in front of your chin is in. And again, inhale, open, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Once again, inhale. This time as you exhale, come into a chair pose. So bend your knees, you can see your toes, chin is gently in, arms to the side of your ears. Pressing into your feet, your foundation. Gentle back bend. You can even lift your head a little bit up. Let's take another breath. As you exhale, extend your legs, come down into forward fold. Take another breath. Now if you're not standing on the top of your mat, then you will have to move there. And let's inhale into halfway lift, lengthen the spine. On exhale, stepping back into warrior one. So you're gonna slide your right leg back, keeping your hips square. Inhale, bringing your arms up, bend your front knee. You can always bring your arms a little bit lower if you have any shoulder injuries, or maybe down to your hips. So an inhale, On exhale, extend your front leg, coming down into forward fold. Inhale, bend your knee, coming back up, warrior one. Exhale. Wherever you land. Inhale up. And exhale. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, bring your hands behind your back, interlace your fingers, open up your chest, inhale. And on exhale, coming down to the inside of your left leg. Humble warrior, relax your head, your neck, breathe. Take another breath. And release your arms coming up into warrior one. Inhale. On exhale, come all the way down to your mat. You can bend your front knee and step back into down dog. Your first down dog. Pulling your tailbone up, bend your knees. Opening up your chest. And then slowly bringing your heels down towards the floor. And then again, inhale. Bend your knees. Exhale down. Coming into a plank on inhale. On exhale, come all the way down to the ground. You can drop your knees down from a lower plank or from here all the way down to the floor. Inhale into a cobra, press into your mat. With your feet, opening your shoulders. Exhale. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale. Engage your back muscles. Exhale. Once again. And exhale. Inhale into tabletop position. Exhale into child's pose. Take another breath here. Inhale, tabletop position, and exhale into your down dog. And this time step to the front with your right leg. You can step a little bit closer with your left leg, coming again into your warrior one. Doing the other side. So remember to find your best version with your arms. As you inhale here, exhale, extend your front leg, coming down into forward fold. Inhale, rise up, exhale down. Once again. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Bring your arms behind your back, exhale. Inhale, interlace your fingers, open up your chest. Exhale into a humble warrior. Arms above your head. Relax your head, your neck, pressing into your feet. And release your arms. Inhale, come all the way up into warrior one. And on exhale, step to the front, come down into forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, down, release. On inhale, come all the way up. Arms up to the ceiling, palms together. Exhale to your chest. And from here, let's inhale again, reach the ceiling. Exhale, come down into forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back into your down dog. From here, drop your knees down and then walk your knees a little bit back. Gonna come down into puppy dog. Again, opening your heart, opening your chest. Coming down into forearms. And open up your chest. Your legs and your hips should be on 90 degrees. And rest on your forehead. Connect with your breath. And once again. Slowly bring your hands closer to your body. Come back into tabletop position. As you inhale here, exhale around your spine. Bring your chin in. And inhale into cow. Open up your chest, drop your belly down. Exhale around your spine. Come down into child's pose. On inhale, gonna press into your shins and come all the way up, reaching the ceiling up. Exhale, arms behind your back, come back down into child's pose. And again, inhale. Exhale, down. Once again, inhale. And exhale. Take another moment, arms to the side, releasing any tension from your back. Relax your shoulders, your neck. Relax your hips. And let's extend our legs to the front. Come into seated position. I'm going to move through twists before we end this practice. So bending your left leg, bend your left knee in. Extend your right arm up on inhale. And on exhale, move into a twist. You can give yourself a hug and turn into a twist, or you can tuck your elbow behind your knee. So find your option and breathe. One more breath. On inhale, come back to the center, reach the ceiling with your right arm and come back down. Extend your left leg. Bend your right knee in, left arm up, inhale, move into a twist again. Choose your option of giving yourself a hug or tucking your elbow. One more breath. Slowly come back to the center, reaching the ceiling with your right arm, and come down. Extend your both legs, give them a little shake, and then bend both knees in, give yourself a hug, chin is in. When you're ready, slowly come back into seated position. Feel free to take your time, maybe stay in a meditation, do a few breaths. Thank you for joining me today in this practice. Have a beautiful day. Hope to see you again. Namaste.